If you're experiencing issues with an update for Baldur's Gate 3 getting stuck, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and functioning properly. A weak or intermittent connection can cause updates to stall. Step 2. Restart the game client. Close the game client completely and then reopen it. This can refresh the update process and may allow the download to continue. Step 3. Clear download cache. If you're using a platform like Steam, go to the settings and clear the download cache. This can help resolve issues with stuck downloads. Step 4. Disable background applications. Close any unnecessary applications running in the background that might be using bandwidth for system resources. This can help the update process run more smoothly. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If all else fails, uninstall and then reinstall Baldur's Gate 3. This can ensure that you have the latest version and may resolve any persistent update issues. Following these steps should help you get past the update issue. If problems persist, consider reaching out to the game's support team for further assistance.